Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a hyperlink in a draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is bring in a text element or shape right here. And now I'll just drag it here and write in some random text. Let's put in our channel name, so you can see right here. Now to change this to a hyperlink, all you need to do is first click on it. And then instead of looking for an option right here, all you need to do is just right click and you get this drop down. Click here on edit link. Now we can go ahead and paste in our URL. So let me bring in our YouTube channel right here. We copy this URL. We come back to draw.io. You paste it in. And if you want it to open up in a new window when someone clicks on it, you can toggle this one on and then just click here on OK. Now when someone clicks on this, they get this hyperlink. They can easily go ahead and click on it and it would open up. So that is how you add a hyperlink in draw.io.